In this video, I am going to show you how to add a decal onto a model in Blender. The first thing we're going to have to do is make sure that our settings are updated so that we can add an image as a plane. To do that, we're going to go in Blender, we're going to go to Edit, Preferences, select Add-ons down the side, and in the search function, we're going to type in the word image. And you can see that automatically it comes up, import image as plane. We just want to click the box once so that it ticks on. If it takes a couple of minutes to load, just click it once and wait until the little box has been selected. Once you've done that, you can just press X to the preference menu. Now we're going to look at adding the image as a plane. So to do that, we're going to press Shift, which is the arrow below the capital lock, and A together. This will add. And then we want to go down to Image, and then Image as Planes. Once you've done that, you select the image that you want to decal onto your model. Now automatically that will add it as a plane onto your Blender. So I'm going to press G for grab and then Z to bring my image up, GY to move it back and forth, GX. And what we would like to do is get it as close to the part that you want to decal onto as possible. So you're going to have to use grab and your axis and rotate and your axis. So RX for example, and keep grabbing it and rotating it until you get as close as you would like, or as you can, sorry, to the part that you want to stick it onto. You might also at this point want to kind of scale it down so that it's pretty close to your part. Once it's in the location that we want it to be, we're going to select the image and we're going to go down to our menu and we're going to click modifiers, and it looks like a little spanner. And we're going to add two different modifiers. The first modifier we're going to add is subdivision surface, which can be found in the generate box. So I'm going to click subdivision surface. And we want to change this to simple. And we want to make both levels around 4. Next, we're going to click modifier, add modifier again. And this time we're going to click shrink wrap, which is under the deform menu. And we're going to click target, and you can use this little eyedropper tool to select the part that you want to drop onto. Now you can see that my image has kind of went into my model. So there's two ways we can fix this. One is to use offset. So if I just offset it slightly, maybe do 0.5. Oh. 0.05 is what I meant to do, 0.05. And you can still see that that's coming off it, so I'm going to keep making it even smaller. So I've done 0.0005, and you can see that it's now completely wrapped around and stuck on to my model. You might also want to kind of grab it, and you can scale it if you would like, just so that when you're moving it around, it's definitely on the surface and it's been decaled on.